Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the REALME 9 Pro Plus. So, when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just go to the Bluetooth connection by holding the Bluetooth icon. And now if you have it enabled, just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. After that, look for a device here. Then you can also go to the advanced settings and try to switch off these switchers and try to look for a device with the virus combination. Like here, just switch it off and look for a device. After that, try to restart your phone by holding the power button, I think, and choose restart. If you have this option, you can also restart the Bluetooth device. So, after that, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone and for other devices, and how to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual or on our YouTube channel maybe. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, you will find it in the manual instruction for sure. So, if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not for your phone, you can also try to reset your Bluetooth connection. So, go to the settings, slide down to the system settings, and slide down again to the backup and reset. Now choose the reset phone and choose reset network settings. You can see the Bluetooth is included here, and just click on this button. Then look for your device again. After that, you can also try to update your system. To do it, just go to the About device and click here. Check if you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth device on other device like a laptop, other phone, to check which one is visible and which one making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.